So today we are in Avon Castle, which is literally 5 minutes from our showroom, and we're at this beautiful home where we have just completed this outdoor kitchen and pergola. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking you through how we built it and everything in it. So the Avon Castle estate is absolutely beautiful. Somewhere around here is the castle itself. This whole estate is just full of the most incredible houses, and this one is absolutely no exception. So they had this space around the side of the house here that was not being used. They wanted to make and to create a more usable, functional kitchen that they could use all year round, and that's somewhere that was covered as well. So we put them designs together. I think the customer in this case had seen one of our other videos, and we'd done a kitchen and we'd used like a steel corten tile, which is like that brown rusty color, which she really liked, and she wanted to try and make her kitchen with a similar sort of material. There's actually a first for this one. We actually built this using a metal frame, which we haven't done before. We've used timber frame, we used block work and things like that. Because we were tiling this, using a metal frame system is really, it's quick, it's easy to install. There's no mess whatsoever. In fact, this metal frame we built in our showroom and then we transported it here. This section from here to here was one section, and then the island section was another section. We just drove it over here, brought it round and screwed it all together. We then used cement board, which we clad the whole of the outside, and then tiled it with these gorgeous corten tiles. Now these are 300mm by 600mm, so you get 3 tiles high. It's the perfect height. For the worktops on this, we have used a polished dark granite. I think this is called Absoluto, something like that. It's 20mm thick. I really like polished granite. I find it easier to clean. I find that the matte or the honed granites tend to collect dust a little bit more, whereas the polished ones are much easier to clean, and the dust doesn't seem to stick to them as much. So let's talk you through the kitchen here itself and everything that we've got in here. I would just mention as well, actually, if you come around and have a look at this, you can see here that you've got this little corbel section down here which sticks out from the main wall, 50 or 60mm. I didn't actually see this when I came to survey the kitchen because they had the pizza oven and the other bits and pieces along here. So when we built the kitchen and we came to install it, we couldn't get it right back to the wall. So we had this gap behind. So what we did was just create using the same metal framing, an upstand here that goes all the way along there, and we put a granite shelf on top of it. This is full transparency. You always get things like this will happen, but there's always a solution to everything. And I think this is a really good way of getting over that situation. They can now put plant pots and rubs and things on there, so they've got a good little shelf for that. Here we have got the Napoleon Prestige Pro 665. If you've watched our videos before, you definitely would have seen these. This is a 7-burner grill. It's stainless steel. You've got the 5 main burners along here. You've got an infrared back burner, and you've got a smoking tray with its own burner as well. You've got interior lights as well that come on there. It's a sensor underneath there. When you walk up to it, all of the lights turn on. You can hold this down and the lights will change color. They'll go through a different system. So this is a fantastic barbecue. It comes with a 25-year limited warranty, so an amazing piece of kit, really well made. Underneath here we have got 2 stainless steel double doors, and that literally provides storage for the underneath here. You do need power for this as well, obviously, to light that up. This is actually a pull-out gas tank drawer, but we use it for bins. So you can see in there, you've got a section there that you can get a big bin in there. Go on Amazon, get a bin, put it in there, and then you've got a drawer somewhere to put all of your waste. This is the Gozney dome. So this is the bone color. It's also available in an off black color as well now. So this is a hybrid oven. It's a mixture between gas and wood. So you can alternate between the two. Brilliant pizza oven, gets up to temperature in sort of 20 minutes. You can cook pizzas, not just pizzas as well. You can cook steaks in there, fish, bread, lots of accessories to go with the Gozney dome as well. And they are constantly bringing out new pizza ovens as well. So you've got the Arc XL. They've just brought out the Tread as well, which is more of a camping, traveling style one. But anyway, that is a fantastic pizza oven. Below there, you've just got 2 drawers. Stainless steel drawers again, and that's purely just for storage. This is the Beefeater stainless steel double fridge. So this is rated for outdoors, 190 litres of capacity in there, so plenty of space in there for keeping all your drinks cold and your food cold as well. Coming around to here, we have got this bar section here. So you can see here we've got the overhang on the worktop, so you can put bar stools along here. But what we've also done is we've put a single door at the back here. So we've run a hose from the barbecue that runs all the way along here. The hose from the Gozney connects into that, and you've got a sort of a Y connector there with valves on there, and then you just have one regulator on the end. So you only need one tank, you can clip that on there, and that will feed both the pizza oven and the barbecue. So everything runs off one tank. If that runs out mid-barbecue, you've got your spare tank, you just got one tank to change. Off you go, you put it in there, and then you can take the other one to get that refilled. So all of this sits underneath this powder-coated aluminium pergola. Now this is 4 meters long by 3.6 meters. It's wall mounted on there, so you don't have to have any legs on the wall, which is perfect for here. And this pergola covers this space really, really well. You can see, so this is a manual one. You can get automated ones as well. You get ones with lights in it, lots and lots of different options. They are available in a white color, also a pebble color as well. You can get oak, sort of timber colored ones as well. But simply by turning the handle like this, you can open the slats right up like that. So you can let any smoke through, you can let sunlight through, and then obviously if it starts raining, you just shut it back down again and you are in the dry. So I think this kitchen and pergola really complements the house. It's a beautiful home. The garden itself is absolutely stunning. You've got a pond there, a little Wendy house there. The patio runs round. They haven't got any of the furniture set up at the moment, but you can visualize that, you know, when it is set up, it's just an idyllic place to spend an afternoon with friends and family, eating, cooking. They've got some lovely views there over the Avon Causeway. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, comment, all those kinds of things. It really helps the channel. We try and put one of these videos out at least once a week to give you some inspiration if you are looking to get an outdoor kitchen, or if you're looking just for some ideas. We also have Facebook, we have Instagram, so head over there and give us a follow on there. So thanks very much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.